What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, world? It's your boy Amp Dog with another episode of Politickin. Want to thank everybody for tuning in, showing your love. And today, I need y'all to hit that like, share, subscribe button one time. You can either hit it on the way in or hit it on your way out. Either way, I appreciate it. Today we got a story coming out of the out of Georgia. The Ahmaud Arbery killing. The three men that are on trial, they began to do the jury selection, and basically the prosecution, for the state in this situation in this process, have accused the defense attorneys of disproportionately striking qualified black jurors and basing some of their strikes on race. Um, so what the jury consists of right now is 11 white members and one black member. Now, anyway, this makes me so mad. All right, so Judge Timothy Wamsley said the defense appeared to be discriminatory in selecting the jury, but the case could go forward. He says this court has found that there appears to be intentional discrimination. I'm telling you, this old mother, it's people like him. Y'all just got to go back and just do y'all research on how long he been a judge and go look at all his cases. Because ain't no way you can say that something seems discriminatory, but fuck it. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm not. They say the court heard arguments for more than 2 hours about why the defense struck potential jurors before Wamsley ultimately denied the state's motion and ruled that there were valid reasons beyond race for why jurors were dismissed. Okay, I bet. But um, the fact that that is something that was seen or discovered on both sides, for you to be the judge to, oversee and make sure that this is being everybody's rights and everything is going the way it's supposed to. The judge. I guess that's what judge means. Judge. Um, Now, my whole thing is, what if these were three black men and you knew the defense was trying to make sure that, hey, we're gonna put one of these white motherfuckers on the jury and the rest gonna be black. And you seen those same type of things that made you feel like this was some type of discriminatory actions going on against some of these black jurors. Would you continue to let this thing go forward? I don't think so. I don't think so. In fact, I know the old saying that they say, oh, all black people look alike. That sometimes could be true, but in this case, you can't tell me all four of these motherfuckers don't look alike. The judge look like the top two. They look related. This is a conspiracy. This is a conspiracy. So, the judge also said one of the challenges that I think counsel recognized in this case is the racial overtones in the case. This is sort of the continuation of a conversation that I think will continue for a long time with respect to this case, the judge said. But added that in Georgia, all the defense needs to do is provide that legitimate, non discriminatory, clear, reasonable, specific, and related reasons for why they struck a juror. And he said the defense met that burden. I bet. I bet. But anyway, um, yeah, I think they should be locked up. I think that this was a hate crime at its finest. In today's day and age, this wasn't. The only difference was it wasn't in the 40s, the 50s. You know what I'm saying? The 60s. You know what I'm saying? This wasn't a part of the civil rights movement. Wasn't a black man out protesting, out burning down the city, out terrorizing anything. Um, in fact, um, in fact, it seems to be it just was a typical black man minding his business, and then you get a bunch of nosy white people that just want to jump in the mix. So if we could just graduate from that old way back then and, up to date, but it's going to start by getting old people that's back from then off of these positions. This judge is too old. I doubt that he could even comprehend what's going on. He seems like he's on some Sleepy Joe status, like sit there Your Honor. Yeah, he seems like he be napping. Um, but yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep my eye out on this case. Uh, it just seems to me that any type of leverage that you can get, white privilege will supply it. You know, um, that's just the reality, the sad truth. You feel me? But anyway, y'all like, share, subscribe, drop y'all comments down below. Let me know what you think. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Big Am Dog said, "What's the deal?" Peace.